Hi Sparkle Squad! Today we're going to be drawing Pusheen, and she's so cute. I'm starting by tracing my outline of Pusheen with a dark brown marker. Next, I'm taking a medium color gray and coloring her fur. And don't forget to color her tongue pink. And next, I'm coloring her paws so she can hold her pizza and her ice cream. Let's color her pizza with a yellow cheese and some red pepperonis because I'm sure she would love that. Comment below what your favorite pizza is. Mine is actually pineapple and pepperoni, and we know Pusheen would really love some ice cream. So let's color her a little cone with maybe some purple ice cream and some pink ice cream, and we cannot forget the cherry on top. Cut out your little items. And next, fold the paper in half with the drawing of Pusheen. Use scissors to cut out Pusheen, making sure that the back paper is the same shape as your top paper. Next, we're going to take packing tape. I always start in the middle. I like to cut slits in my tape before folding over the shape of my paper squishy. Repeat the process for the top. And just remember, this is a paper squishy. It's just for fun, and it's not going to be perfect. And guess what? That's okay. We don't have to be perfect. Next, I'm taking some polyfill to fill my paper squishy. When I first started making paper squishies, I did not have polyfill, and I would use plastic bags, paper bags, old socks that didn't have matches. Tape up the bottom just like you did the top, and then squish it a couple times. Next, use your packing tape to cover the front and the back of your food and paws. Next, cut out your paws, your pizza, and your ice cream, leaving no border at all. If this is your first time visiting the channel, make sure you say hi in the comments. I love to hear from y'all. I love to hear your suggestions, and don't forget, if you do like this video, please like and subscribe. It means the world to me. And it's time to see if Pusheen can hold her pizza. She can! And her ice cream. It's so cute. And there it goes on the floor.